Don't live life carelessly. You may think you are young, because most of us here are young. Before you know what is happening, a decade will pass, and you will know that a phase of your life has gone forever. Ask those who are 40 here, they will tell you. Once upon a time, they were clocking 30 from their 20s. They thought life was a bed of roses. They have entered a new phase where everybody is looking at them, expecting them to offer something to their generation. When you are 20, people can still look at you and give you something, because they know you are still growing. When you are 30, people can look at you and say, okay, you are gaining mastery. There is a way the size of your face become to prove that now you are 40. You know, the face will always grow bigger to help you not to hide your age. When they look at the shape of your skull and the size of your face, they know that no, if somebody like you is looking for help now, it means your life has been wasted. Because at this level, you should be giving back to your generation. And so don't assume, don't make the mistake of assuming there's time. I will do, you are a joker. You will be so shocked the way time will fly. You will wake up one day and discover you are 55. And you'll be asking yourself, how many birthdays did I celebrate? How am I 55 suddenly? You will now start wishing if 5 years will be taken out of your life. You know, when you are young, they say, how old are you? You say, I won't tell you. You are hiding your age because you are hoping they should think you are older. When you become old, you will be begging to reduce your age. You will be begging. When they mistakenly assign an age that is not your age to you, you will fight to correct it. It is youthful pride that makes you feel there is something big about being older. There's no big deal about it. It's your achievement that validates your existence.